Well, India and Sri Lanka have decided to work together to address security concerns of both the countries. Both nations will also work together to resolve perennial issues of fishing in deep sea. Sri Lankan President Gotabaya Rajapaksa is in India on a 3-day visit to deepen the mutual ties and also create an atmosphere of understanding and mutual respect. Here's more.
On his first visit after becoming Sri Lankan President, Gotabaya Rajapaksa held summit talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi on Friday. While the Prime Minister expressed happiness at the visiting President choosing India for his first visit, Rajapaksa assured India of Sri Lanka's undying friendship. Both leaders agreed that security in the region and cooperation on terrorism should be priorities for them. Prime Minister Modi also announced $5 crore assistance to the island nation to create a counter-terror mechanism.
दोनों देशों की प्रगति और हमारे इस पूरे साझा क्षेत्र में शांति, समृद्धि और सुरक्षा के लिए हम राष्ट्रपति राजपक्ष के साथ घनिष्ठ रूप से काम करने के लिए तत्पर हैं। आपसी सुरक्षा के लिए और आतंकवाद के विरुद्ध हमारे सहयोग को और मजबूत करने पर मैंने राष्ट्रपति राजपक्ष के साथ विस्तार से चर्चा की है। प्रमुख भारतीय संस्थानों में श्रीलंका के पुलिस अधिकारी काउंटर टेररिस्ट ट्रेनिंग का लाभ पहले से ही प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। आतंकवाद से निपटने के लिए श्रीलंका को $50 मिलियन की एक विशेष लाइन ऑफ क्रेडिट की घोषणा करते हुए मुझे खुशी हो रही है।
Both leaders pledged support on resolving issues related to devolution of power in Tamil-dominated areas and expediting reconciliation between the Tamil and Sinhala populations. Both sides further expressed resolve to work jointly to mainstream war-ravaged Tamil areas and the war-affected Tamil people, including refugees. President Rajapaksa also announced the release of Indian fishermen arrested by Sri Lankan Navy and their boats on humanitarian grounds.
मछुआरों की आजीविका को प्रभावित करने वाले मुद्दों पर भी हमने चर्चा की। हमारे बीच सहमति है कि हम इस मामले के कंस्ट्रक्टिव और मानवीय दृष्टिकोण जारी रखेंगे। हमने श्रीलंका में रिकंसिलिएशन पर भी विचारों का खुलकर आदान प्रदान किया। मुझे विश्वास है कि श्रीलंका सरकार तमिलों की समानता, न्याय, शांति और सम्मान की आकांक्षाओं को पूरा करने के लिए रिकंसिलिएशन की प्रक्रिया को आगे बढ़ाएगी।
We will continue to work closely with India to ensure that Indian Ocean remain as a zone of peace. We also discussed how Sri Lanka and India could work together in economically important matters. As India emerges to be among world's growing economies, we discussed in length the fishermen's issue and will take steps to release the boats belong to India.
Multifaceted cooperation between the two countries was another focus area for the two sides. Prime Minister Modi further announced a $40 crore line of credit for Sri Lanka's development. Rajapaksa also invited Modi to visit Colombo as the first foreign dignitary after his election. On his arrival on Thursday, the Sri Lankan president was accorded a ceremonial welcome with a 21-gun salute in the forecourt of President House. He also met President Ramnath Kovind and went to Rajghat to pay floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi.
The bottom line is Indian Ocean should remain the region of peace, and for that one has to keep wary of external intervention and allurements from outside. Akhilesh Suman for Rajya Sabha Television with camera person D.K. Pandey in Delhi.
Well, it's time for a short break now.